Greetings everyone, I'm Krishna. This video is being recorded for Dr. Grant's class, which is Advanced Digital Media Technologies for Eastern Illinois University. Today, in this video, we'll be seeing how to work on 3D printing the objects and how to save the file in different formats. For that, the first thing you want to do is, after creating an object or after creating your name like this, you need to rotate the object by 90 degrees along the x-axis so that it'll be easy for the printer to sense the text and print it easily. So the first thing we'll be doing is go to the 3D options here and search for the option which says Unify Scene for 3D printing. Here it is. And after clicking it, it'll show you a dialog box. Just ignore it and press OK. So now this object is ready for 3D printing. The first file format we'll be seeing is Collada DAE, for which you need to go to the 3D options again and export the 3D layer. So I created a folder so that I can save all the file formats in the same folder. By default, this is set to Collada DAE format, so just click it and press save. And while exporting the file, you need to make sure the file is in PNG format so that it'll be accessible by everyone and by every laptop or every computer. It can be saved in other formats, but the PNG is the best option we can choose. Press OK, and there it is. My file is created in Collada DAE format. So the second format we'll be seeing is STL. Actually, the Collada DAE's file is used for interactive applications like augmented reality. And this STL file is used for printing the 3D object. So that is the actual file which is used to connect to the 3D printer and print the object from the printer. So for that, we'll go to the 3D options again and press the export. Now we'll see for STL format. Here it is, and press save. By default, this is set to inches. So I'll just change it to 4 inches, which is my width. So the width is 4 inches, the length, the depth. So it'll be a perfect size for printing. Press OK. There it is. It is even saved in STL format. Now we'll be seeing how to save it in PDF format. The PDF format is actually used for sharing the file with someone or by accessing it on a remote desktop or a different computer. So for creating a PDF file, you need to go to the U3D option and just you need to select the .u3d extension for creating a PDF. Press OK, save. Now you need to select the PNG because I told you earlier that it will be accessible by everyone and from every computer. So press OK. And actually, for now, the PDF is still not created because it is in U3D format. To create a PDF, you need to go to Adobe PDF and select the option Create PDF from File and import the file which has the extension .u3d and click Open. So here we are not done yet because just click the Show Advanced Options, as we need to do some editing in this. Go to the 3D options because we need the 3D object. We can change the background color here by giving FFFFF the hex value. 6Fs is a hex value for white color. So we got the white color for the background. And for the views, we need to select all the views which are left, top, front, right, bottom, and back, all ortho, so that the viewer will be able to see the object from all the directions. And finally press OK. So here we got the object. We can rotate, we can pan the camera, we can change the background color even here. We can work with the lights. We can change the light so that the color of the text will also be changing. So that is how we get the PDF file. Now there's another option which is a flash. How to save it in a flash format. All you have to do is just click the Flash 3D extension, which will save the file in .fl3, and make sure the image style options, the quality is set to maximum, and the pixels are 800 by 600, which is good resolution for viewing the object. Press OK, and here I got my object. So I can rotate, I can pan, I can just move it here and there. So that is the flash format. Another option we have is how to change the settings for 3D printing. So go to the 3D option and click the option 3D print settings. So we have different settings here. The first thing we need to do is, because 7 inches is a very big file format, it's a very big thing, so just change it to 4 inches. So it'll automatically set the length and depth also as per the length of my name, as per my width of my name. So you can work on other different options, like you can have it a high, like the clarity will be higher. So these are the options available. And another one is the 3D print utilities, where you can actually change the settings of the printer from here, like the filaments in the printer or the print plate. But these all options are not available for me right now because I'm not connected to a 3D printer, so I can't even select the option. Okay, for now I'll just click cancel. And how you can print it directly from here is you can just go to 3D options again and click the option 3D print. So it's preparing my object ready for printing. We'll get a dialog box like this. We can even change the view of the object here to make sure it's correct from all the directions. And just when we have the 3D printer connected to the computer, we can just click this print option, or you can export it for now so that you can print it later. For now I'll press cancel. So that's how we work on the 3D printing. Thank you for watching the video. Signing off, Krishna.